Lesson number 10, We Need Air, Part 2, Form 1, Science Class. Please be ready with your Living Science textbook. Yes, the textbook, pencil and eraser. We need air. Why we need air? You know na? Yes. For all these things, I'll be showing you the pictures one by one. The first picture that has come to the screen is for filling up the footballs, for filling up the tires, for filling up the rugby balls, for filling up the balloons. Children, air takes up space in whatever it is filled in. If it is filled in a tire shaped thing, it will take the space in that and it will have no shape, but it will take the space. Okay. Then air is turning the blades of the windmill. When the air is blowing very fast in an open area, in an open ground, the windmill is installed there, and there you will see that the blades of the windmill is moving very fast. Wait, I'll show you with the help of a pointer, children. Just a minute. Can you see this air is being shown here, that the air is blowing and the windmill fan blades are moving. Okay? Very good. Now what is this? Yes, this is the kite. And you will be knowing that in the kite flying festival on the 14th of Jan, when you all are flying the kites, you will know in Priyalok also we used to have the kite flying festival. And in Rajkot, in the racecourse ground, we have it every year. So, why does the kite fly? It flies because the air is blowing. If there is no air, children, you will say today there is no air. So, there are no chances of the kites to fly. So, we need a lot of air for the kites to fly. Okay, now this is something different. This is not a balloon, but this is a hot air balloon. And children, you see the space over here? Yeah. And it is flying in the sky. Okay, as you can see the clouds, it's flying in the sky. And the space over here, people can sit inside this. And there is a gas, hot gas that is blowing hot air, and with that gas this balloon is flying up. Okay. Now next thing, this man is flying the glider. Again, this is in the sky and it is also with the help of the air. All these things, children, I have taught you in my last class. This was just a quick recap. Okay. Now we are moving further. We will move to page number 70. 70. Okay. Now you can see football, swimming tube, tire tube. This is page number 70. 70. Air can be filled into many things. Air is needed for lighting a fire and to keep it burning. In my few classes in this week, I am showing the demonstration of lighting a candle, and when I put it over it, if I put a empty glass, then it will not burn because it is not getting air. So we will know that for lighting a fire we need air, and also to keep it burning we need air. Second thing, air can be filled into footballs, swimming tubes and cycle tires. Let's see what is there inside this tube. Yes, air. Inside this swimming tube, very good, air. And inside this football also there is air. Now next part of page number 70, I'm showing you and explaining you in the next slide. Okay. Now children, this is something different. Air keeps the fire burning. This we have already studied. Now, fast and strong winds can cause a storm. Okay. Sometimes The wind blows fast and strong. You must be knowing now in the rainy season, children. So fast wind is blowing that the papers are flying away, the curtains are flying, the leaves are flying. Some trees are also falling down in the monsoon season, in the rainy season. The trees are falling down. There is a lot of rain and there is lightning and there is thunder sound. Yes. So the force of air. What is that force? It is so much heavy force that it can make the trees fall. You can see how this heavy tree is also falling because there is so much of force of air. Now what is it saying? It is saying fast and strong winds can cause storm. Now air is not always slow, children. It is also fast, and when it is very fast, it is called a storm, and it is very dangerous. It can even take people's and animals' lives. Okay, it is very harmful. It can take the lives and it can even injure these people and animals. It can make the buildings fall. It can make the houses fall. Yes, it can make the huts, the villages, there are huts, you know, small huts. Those huts are falling also and they are flying away. The roof of the hut is flying away in this storm. So it is causing a lot of damage. Now see what they are saying. Storms can cause damage to houses. See, I told you houses. To crops. Crops means what the farmers are growing in the field. You know, we are having food. From where it is coming? Yes, because the farmers are working and they are growing the crops. From there we are getting the crops, and due to the storm these crops are getting damaged and the trees also fall. See, here you can see the trees are falling. Storm can hurt human beings and animals. As I told you, they can take the lives also of the human beings and animals. Okay, now this much we have studied about this air is everywhere lesson. Now children, the writing part, we will go to page number 71. Yes, 71. You please keep your pencil and eraser ready with you. Page number 71, children. This is the first question. Let us answer. You don't have to do much in this. You just have to put a tick mark in the correct answer. A small right. Now what is the first question? Yes, see, this picture and this picture are caused by fast moving what? Car, water or air? Yes. See, madam has put this mark over here. You have to put a tick mark here. Okay. A small tick mark, children, you can put over here. Now the second question. Everybody come on, put a small tick mark in C. In C, air. C. Here you have to put a small tick mark. Okay. Now number 2. Only tick mark you have to put, so I am going faster. Okay, children. Now number 2. Football and tubes are filled with. The answer is air. I have already done a tick mark here. First option is water. B is air and C is sand. Now the answer for this second one is B, air. Okay. So here you have to put a tick mark in number B. Children, if you are not able to do right now in the class, you can again see the video after some time and you can leisurely do this work. Did you understand, children? Because the videos are always there in the offline class, in the PRP. Okay. Now, number 3. For lighting a fire, we need water. We need food. We need, yes, air. So the right answer is air. Put a tick mark on air. Very good. You have done. So the first answer is C, air. You have to put a tick mark in C, air. Second answer is B, air. Put a tick mark in B, air. And third answer is C, air. Put a tick mark in C, air. Okay, children. Now we are going to the next question. B. Match the following. Now, Match the columns. How you will match? You are not going to draw any lines. You will write the correct answer. What is the first one? Air. What is air? Yes, air is all around us. So how you will match? You will not draw a line like that. You just have to write D because it is matching with D. So you just write here D. Second, wind. What is wind? Yes, very good. Wind is moving air. So you have to write A. Okay, second option. So children, please write D in between 1 and A. D, because the correct answer of number 1 is D, all around us. And correct answer of wind is number 2 is A, moving air. Okay, now number 3, balloon. What is happening to the balloon when the air is filled inside it? Yes, the air takes up space. So answer is B. For number 3, balloon, the answer is B. So we are going to write here B. Okay? Very good, children. First you have written D. Written. Good. Second A and third B. Come on now. Quickly we will do number 4. Only one option is left. Storm. Yes. Fast and strong winds. C. So D, A, B and C. These things you have to write. That's it. Now we will move to page number 72. In page number 72, we have to write the question answer. Number 1 answer. What is number 1 answer? Why do we need air? Why do we need air? Tell me. Yes, we need air to live. Now they have already written we need here. We just have to write 3 more words. Need air, A-I-R, air, to live. Children, you don't have to write here need. Just a minute. Now, number 2 question. As we blow air into the balloon, it becomes bigger and bigger. Why? As we blow air, A-I-R, air, write air, A-I-N-T-O, into a balloon, it becomes bigger because air takes up space. First word is air. I-N-T-O, into a balloon, it becomes bigger because air takes up space. You can write leisurely, children. After the class is over, you can write both the answers. Now question number 3 and 4 are in your homework. Today's homework, write answers for question 3 and 4 in page number 72. See, this is question 3. What makes the blades of windmill turn? Moving air makes the blades of a windmill turn. And what helps a sailboat to move? Moving air helps the sailboat to move, and it can also move the leaves. You can write these 2 things, or you can write it in your own words. When you come back to the school, I will check the answers. No need to submit the answers to me. Did you understand, children? In the prep work, you can check. I will be writing the answers for number 3 and number 4. You can check from that and you can write the answers. Did you understand, children? Thank you. Thank you, children. Have a nice